Has altcoin season fear peaked as Kaspa, Ethena and Quant push higher? Altcoin season. Author. Hongji Feng. Author. Hongji Feng. About author. Hongji is a reporter who covers crypto, finance, and tech. He graduated from Northwestern University's Medill School of Journalism with a bachelor's and a master's. He has previously interned at HTX. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 20 minutes ago. Crypto markets remain under pressure despite a modest improvement in sentiment. The Fear and Greed Index has lifted to 15 from last week's historical low of 10, yet conditions still reflect extreme caution. Bitcoin continues to trade below recent highs and remains sensitive to liquidations and shifting macro expectations, which keep risk appetite constrained across most major assets. Within this environment, a small group of altcoins has moved higher. Kaspa, Ethena, and Quant each show gains, but their performance appears selective, shaped by specific factors and short-term positioning, rather than a broad recovery across the market. Kaspa draws renewed network attention. Kaspa, KAS, is currently trading near $0.049, up by about 22% in 24 hours. Volume has increased across active trading pairs, and participation from its user base has become more visible over recent sessions. The move aligns with sustained interest in its proof-of-work design and its focus on fast block processing, which continues to attract attention even when overall sentiment remains subdued. Recent data suggests that the rise is supported by consistent engagement instead of a single headline or sudden narrative shift. Liquidity conditions look steadier than earlier in the month, helping prices hold above recent ranges as the market searches for footing. Ethena stabilizes after earlier volatility. Ethena ENA is now trading around 28 cents, up by roughly 16% in 24 hours. Activity has picked up following a period of sharp repricing tied to concerns around its synthetic dollar mechanics and yield structure. Current trading shows calmer funding conditions and more balanced positioning, which has supported a gradual rebound. ENA price. Source. CoinMarketCap. The move appears tied to improved confidence in its current risk framework and steadier participation from larger venues. While the wider market remains cautious, Ethena's ability to maintain controlled price action suggests a more measured pace compared with previous swings. Quant holds firm on infrastructure use. Quant, QNT, is trading near $86, gaining about 12% over the past day. Trading activity remains steady, supported by ongoing focus on interoperability tools and cross-network settlement frameworks that form the basis of its use case. Liquidity remains workable and participation steady, helping Quant avoid the sharper drawdowns seen in more speculative segments of the market. Altcoin season outlook remains restrained. Despite these scattered gains, the broader market still demonstrates a cautious phase. The limited improvement in sentiment has not translated into widespread participation, and most tokens continue to trade under the weight of Bitcoin's direction and macro uncertainty. Altcoin season, in a traditional sense, remains distant, with activity concentrated in a narrow selection of assets rather than across the full market. For now, the environment points to consolidation and selective engagement rather than a decisive shift. Any wider recovery is likely to depend on continued stabilization in Bitcoin and a clearer improvement in overall risk conditions, which have yet to fully emerge. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Crypto Market Prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live, Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders ahead of Monad crypto launch. Expert warns of worst-case scenario XRP price prediction. Confidence fades as whales offload 250M XRP. Key levels to watch. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Cardano by the end of 2025. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Smart money buying spot. What the $80,500 support level signals for Q1. 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts shocking prices for XRP, Picoin, Ethereum as crypto prices crash. 3 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto up today? November 24, 2025. 1 day ago. By Seed Fatal Pasic. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 17 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 2 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. November 18, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 17, 2025. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 15 hours ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025. By Ben Beto.